Hi, today I'm joined by Kim Safoyan, Wealth Advisor in the Coachella Valley in California. These interviews are important for us to highlight some of the work that's being done out there with a lot of the advisors that we support behind the scenes. And so, Kim, I wanted to just ask you a few questions and make a few comments about your business and just try to keep this conversational. But you've had tremendous growth in your business over the last several years that we've been working together. And I know it's a challenge for advisors to keep up with that growth when it comes to client service. But I also know at the core of your business strategy is providing exceptional client service. Why is that so important to you?
Um, Vitally important. I want my clients to feel like they can be very open with us. The more service we can provide, the more thorough we can be, the more successful they will be, in terms of making sure that we are guiding them to hit all of the points on their financial plan, their objectives, and really why they grew the wealth that they have in the first place.
Fantastic. Today being February 22nd, 2022, a lot of twos in there. We're going through some volatility in the markets. We've had a lot of volatility this year to start out, whereas we haven't really had a lot of volatility since you have to go all the way back to March of 2020 when the pandemic started really. And so what are you telling clients today about their portfolios and financial planning and what's important right now?
I think it's so important to revisit your financial plan. Why are you invested? What is the content of your portfolio that exists today, and has something changed with your life or the client's life that should change? Otherwise, I think, need to focus on staying grounded, understanding why we have volatility and that it's expected. I mean, I build these portfolios, I know, for my clients, expecting it's going to happen. So we're prepared to deal with any short-term needs, so that we can stay focused on the long-term goals.
I agree. And obviously managing client expectations is critical in terms of making sure that investors do the right things during times of volatility. And in the phrase that we were talking about earlier, that wealth is created not by investment performance, but rather investor behavior. So
For
we want
sure.
clients to behave more like Warren Buffett does when there's times of stress in the markets and be a buyer and add to their portfolios and not panic and sell. The last question and or comment I wanted to make was first to just thank you for the American Hero strategy that invests into companies that really support veterans. And I wanted to know why you created this strategy, and I'm proud of you for doing it. But why was it so important for you?
Thank you so much. A number of reasons, really. As I've gotten to know my clients so well over the years, in conversation, I have found that many of them have served themselves, currently have children that have served, parents that have served in terms of our military, law enforcement, National Guard. And I'm not in a base area or military town, but it just weaves through our society and clients. And having the ability to invest in a portfolio that reflects those values that they value, those folks, has resonated very well.
That's amazing. So I'm not a veteran myself, but on behalf of all the veterans at the Wealth Consulting Group, thank you for doing that. And thank you for joining me today. Talk to you
Thank you
later.
so much.
Bye-bye.
Take care. Bye-bye.